Parents, teachers, school boards, community members, everybody has an idea about what schools should be doing to keep our kids safe and in class during this pandemic. Starting tomorrow, state lawmakers have their say.
And weeks after the school year started, the rules on how they can deal with the pandemic are about to change. News 5's Clay Lepard breaks down what House Bill 244 means for all of us.
For much of the summer, parents all over, including in Cuyahoga Heights, voiced their concerns surrounding what could come of their school district's COVID-19 and vaccine policy.
And I've been asked to read an email from a parent.
Okay.
And this is from Dr. Lisa Lawrence. And she said, Mr. Evans, I believe the recommendations for masking need to be enforced.
I want to urge that you guys, as a school board, stick with, letting it be the parents' choice.
Again, our goal is to keep students in the building.
Superintendent Tom Evans says the district started with mask optional at all its buildings, but switched to mask required at the elementary school after a rise in cases there. A tricky dance, given the school district, along with every other public school district, must now follow House Bill 244, which goes into effect Wednesday.
Just trying to figure out what the rules are for the playing field with COVID.
When the bill was first introduced back in March, it focused solely on addressing the education of children in military families. By the time that bill came up for a vote at the end of the legislative session, it looked vastly different. The final version prohibits public schools or universities from requiring its students or staff to get a COVID-19 vaccine unless that vaccine has received full FDA approval. It also prohibits school districts from treating its students any differently based on their COVID-19 vaccination status.
We saw it coming, and so we kind of we weren't going to make any drastic decisions. So the decisions we made back in the beginning were kind of knowing that was going to be down the road.
We're going to hit another critical point.
Just yesterday, Governor Mike DeWine said he hoped within the next month to see Pfizer receive emergency use approval for the vaccine in children 5 to 11 years old.
So once that happens, all school children basically will be eligible. It's going to be really, really important for us to get as many of these school children vaccinated as possible.
Right now, only the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine has received full FDA approval. And in that case, the full approval only applies to those 16 and older, not 12 to 16-year-olds, which is still under emergency use approval. In a statement to News 5, the Cuyahoga County Health Commissioner called House Bill 244, quote, any efforts to prevent schools and universities that choose to require COVID-19 vaccine to protect their staff and students are counterproductive and only serve to prolong the pandemic. In Cuyahoga Heights, Clay Lepard, News 5.
Well, now that the Pfizer vaccine has full FDA approval, districts can, in fact, require staff and students 16 years of age and older to get the shot. And that's exactly what some school boards are now considering. The Shaker Heights Board of Education is meeting as we speak. One of the items on the agenda is a proposal to require all employees to be vaccinated by November 1st. Those who don't will need to be tested for COVID every week. Beechwood schools are also considering a vaccinate or test mandate for workers and students 16 and over who would like to take part in extracurriculars. They could vote on that later this month. And the Orange School Board is also working on a policy that would require workers to get the COVID vaccine as well, with options for those who choose not to.
Well, still, a number of bills were recently introduced in the Ohio House that would ban schools from implementing certain pandemic policies. That includes vaccine mandates, and some also ban discrimination against those who are unvaccinated, and mask and COVID test requirements. A bill that would require most businesses and schools to allow for a natural immunity exemption, among others, in their vaccine mandates was on the fast track, and then it was sent back to a committee.